Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the easiest way to create these kinds of realistic AI influencers for free. Look at that video I generated, how realistic it is, and the result is in 4K resolution. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First of all, we need a source image or model. So let's create our own model. For this, go to Pinterest. Here you will find a lots of influencers, models and images. Just select anyone you like and download the image. Now head over to lovard.ai. Click on the plus icon. Here upload the image we just downloaded. And select Nano Banana Pro. Now write this prompt. This prompt is available in the description. They give 30 free credits daily, which is more than enough for us. Ask him to create image in 2K and the aspect ratio is 3.4. After that, click on generate, and just like that we get our own AI influencer. She can dance, lip sync or do anything you like. For this, head over to Pinterest again and download any kind of video you want, like this one. Simply copy the video link and paste it into any Pinterest video downloader website. Then click on download. Head over to Frame Extractor website and upload the image we just downloaded. Set the frame number to 1 and click on Extract. After that, click on Download. Now once again, head over to lovard.ai. Upload both images here, the model image and the frame we just extracted from the video. Then write the prompt that image 1 is posing and dressing like image 2. Select the 2K resolution, set the aspect ratio to 3.4 and click on create. Now here we have the final image, just download it. Now head over to KIE and sign in with your Google account. Click on API Market, then scroll down and select Clean Motion Control. Remove the default image and upload your own AI influencer image here. Then remove the default video and upload the video we downloaded from Pinterest. Delete the prompt and 720 pixel resolution is more than enough for us. Now click on run and it will start creating the video.
Just be yourself, they say. But what does that even mean? It means embracing every part of who you are, the good, the quirky, and everything in between, because that's when you're truly unstoppable.
You can also use website higgsfield.ai. They are giving 3 free credits for 5-second video. Just go to motion control, upload your video here and your influencer image here. Resolution is 720 pixel. And the scene controller mode is video. Then click on generate. And here is the Higgsfield AI result. Let's compare both videos. It looks like super realistic and the motion is really smooth and cool. Look at another one I just created.
Soft light, true motion, a quiet entrance that speaks volumes. Every step is a frame, every glance, a story, movement made cinematic, steady, real, and endlessly watchable. Stay memorable. This is your moment, alive in every detail.
Please give a like and a beautiful comment to this video. Both websites are powerful and having a number of AI tools from which you can create cinematic videos, product marketing videos, and many more. So go ahead and start creating your own AI influencers for free.